Oh.
What we are doing? Are you going to show something to me?
No, I mailed it. Maybe last 15 minutes, we will just open the document. We will go through that.
Okay,
That
no
is
worries.
what all I've added. I'll just show you that.
Okay. Could we start?
Yes, we'll start.
Okay. I'm going. When you're able to see my screen, please let me know.
Yes, if I am able to see this.
Okay. So today we need to focus on this.
Oh, circuit breaker. Okay, something new.
No,
No.
this
Okay.
reliability and fault tolerance.
Okay.
Okay. So because we discussed earlier, means on a high level, now we need to go deep into this concept and learn that. Okay.
Okay.
So what do you understand from this? Reliability and fault tolerance. Hello.
Whatever reliability from different aspects. For example, which is when it comes to application, the application should be reliable. Whenever the user wants, it should be up and running. I cannot restrict only from 9 to 5. It will work, and afterwards it will be sleeping. No, I cannot say that. So whenever they have open my application should work. So that is from the application point of view. Then the other point of view, for example, if you take data or if you take user profile, whatever user profile or the data we have stored, that should remain same or intact. That is, whatever they are entering is, yes, they can rely on our storage capabilities where nothing will go wrong. Or from security point of view, they can rely on us that their data won't be compromised to others. So it's a very rough context of reliability. And
Yes.
then, right? Okay. And then,
Yes.
yes.
You can, in the other term, you can also say that
Ah,
whatever is there is a
ah,
problem or whatever is there
ah,
means client need to know
yes.
means exactly.
Ah, ah, ah.
Means it should not be in a hidden or blind way. Means it
Correct.
should be communicated properly. Hey,
Ah,
if
ah.
let's say there is on a restaurant analogy or restaurant example, if there is a delay in order, then
Okay.
this thing should be communicated well in
Hmm.
advance
Right, right.
because problems are there.
Hmm,
Rather
hmm, hmm,
than hiding the problem, you
hmm.
need to communicate with the proper manner.
Okay, 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 okay,
That's a liability.
okay, okay.
Means this is fine, but in a you can say a system failures are there. Am I
Ah,
right?
yes.
If it's there, how you will communicate?
Yeah,
So you
correct.
need to handle that means gracefully and communicate well.
Yeah,
Am
right,
I right?
right, right.
Means we will come after this is a let's say there is some error which
Hmm,
will not able to resolve immediately.
hmm,
It
hmm.
requires
Right,
some time. Am I right?
right, right.
So rather than just giving the option to the user retry is useless. Am I right?
Yeah, right, right, right.
So we need to communicate
Right,
in a
right.
well manner. Okay.
Correct, correct.
So for that, if what we need to do, if problem we are able to solve the problem, then
Hmm,
we need to go for retry.
hmm, 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 hmm.
Means let's say after some time this thing will ready.
Yeah,
Right
correct.
now, because on a restaurant example, let's say there is a delay in a order
Hmm.
because some in a stock we don't have some spices. Am I
Ah,
right?
right.
but we know spices will take, you can say, 10 minutes to reach, or
mm,
it's available after 10 minutes.
mm,
Then we will say, communicate to, hey, it will take 20 minutes, 10 minutes for this
correct.
spices arrangement and 10 minutes for preparing the food. Am I
Right,
right?
right.
So, and as you know, everything should be in a, means we need to think as a unit and
Mm,
divide the system into a unit, separate
right.
unit, so that
Mm,
we
mm,
can control.
mm,
Some
mm,
places we can think of without a unit, it's a totally, you can say, coupled or
ah,
tightly
ah,
coupled. We
right.
cannot move it. Am I right?
Ah, ah,
But
ah,
if it's a loosely coupled, then we can say, hey, we can go
mm,
without this part,
mm,
which we'll consider later.
mm, mm,
But
mm,
you can enjoy the food now.
mm.
You understand my point?
Okay, okay.
Okay, and there is a chain of, you can say, steps are there.
Ah,
Then we need to handle that, means gracefully, hey, this in a chain of steps, this
mm,
is failed. How we can communicate
mm,
and
mm,
how we can fix that. Okay.
mm, mm. Right.
So now if we talk about this real life analogy,
Ah,
so as we discussed, retry, payment gateway down. So we can retry. Am I
correct.
right?
Yes.
And if retries fail after some attempt,
Ah,
means you can retry, let's say, two
mm,
time or three time or five time, whatever limit is there.
mm, mm, mm,
After that, we will say, hey, this is a fallback. It's not successful, then we will give a message.
right,
Am I right?
right,
And if, let's say, your delivery system crash,
right.
and it should be a isolated, it
Mm,
not
mm, mm.
should be a, you can say, impact all the thing,
Yeah, correct,
because
correct.
other things are working fine.
Working. Ah,
Am I right? We
yes.
cannot say means total. This is a breakdown of total system. No, it's
Mm,
a breakdown of one component.
correct.
Okay.
Yes.
So saying it's a total breakage and saying at a one component, both are different. Am I right?
Mm, mm, mm.
And database failure, redundancy. What do you
Yes.
understand from redundancy?
Okay, I mean, but the duplication of data, redundancy is nothing but the duplication of data. So, if one DB fails for some reason, there's a crash, then quickly I switch out to my backup copies and then see to that in a short period of time system is up and running. So I store copies of data.
Yes. Yes. And recommendation failure.
Yeah, graceful degradation, right? Yeah, correct. For example, a best example is because even we have faced often. I'm trying to Google Pay somebody. For some reason, the transaction doesn't go through. So it gives a message that you wait for a day or two, and then afterwards, if it fails, then you can go for a new transaction. Otherwise, this will go through. They're just giving a message so that we are aware what is happening, and then we come out of it in a grace mode rather than crashing and whole thing just coming out abruptly. We give a message to the end user. End user is aware now there is some a network problem, a server problem, or some under maintenance issue. Something is going on. So let me try after maybe 1 hour or 1 day, and then see what message come, whether the transaction goes through or not, or it says it's a total failure. Then I can go for a repayment. So this way, I gracefully exit out of the situation.
Yes, but here if you talk about recommendation failure,
Mm,
means here we are saying, hey, we are open, okay,
ah, mm,
and we are up and running,
mm,
but means this part, particular, you can say, session of our menu, we are
mm.
not able to serve.
Okay,
You understand my point? We are
okay,
not able to serve.
ah,
Whatever other options are available, you can go ahead and choose that.
okay.
Rather than saying we are not able to, we are closed, we are saying
Mm,
hey, this
mm,
this particular portion. Let's say in a pizza order, you don't have a means you don't have a option
Hmm.
today for today. You
Hmm.
don't have a option to choose your customized. You can say topping. You
Hmm. Hmm.
cannot do that,
Right.
but you can order a pizza.
Right.
So degradation means we are not means providing service up to grade whatever we have, but
Hmm. Hmm.
we are just saying that's not there, but
Hmm.
our services are up and running.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
You understand my point?
Okay. 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 Okay.
10 features are there. We are saying two features are not available. Eight feature
Hmm.
you can use.
I take that. Okay.
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 So that's the difference between your example and this.
Okay. Deepak. Got it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So as we earlier discussed about designing for failure,
Ah. Yes.
we need to know that
Hmm.
means
Hmm.
think about a failure as well and how
Yes.
graceful will handle that. It's our responsibility.
Hmm.
Means as you know, if we are thinking, we are not means analyzing the failure and means including in our design,
Hmm.
then means in a single failure, system will fail. Am I
Correct.
right?
Right.
So right now we are thinking if means payment is not there. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
We not proceed
Yeah. Correct.
because we not think hey if payment is there is a because customer is trying to pay.
Yeah. Correct. He's trying
Cus-
to pay. Yes.
Yes, he is trying to pay means he is willing to pay
Correct.
and but due to some reason he is not able to pay due to you can say service failure is not up and running. He not
Hmm.
able to pay.
Hmm.
So what else
Hmm. Hmm.
option we can provide? Am I right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So that we cannot lose the customer trust and we can retain our customers and
Hmm.
don't lose their trust. We need to think in that manner.
Correct.
You can say so means we need to think hey if this particular things are failed, what
Failing.
what what else option we can mean take
Hmm. Hmm.
extra step we can take so that we can retain our customer.
Correct. Correct.
Am I right?
Yes.
So here we are saying if failure aware system, we can think each and every layer have a success and failure use cases.
Right. Right. Right.
You understand my point?
Yes, Deepak. Yes.
And if there are, let's say we will retry and still we are failing, how many retries we need to do?
Hmm.
Attempt, am I right? And
Hmm.
is there any delay for retries or we can directly after
Hmm.
we without wait we need to go that and if not if retry is also not work then
Hmm.
what is the message what steps we need to take there.
Yeah. Right.
Let's say if failure happens then we can say hey sorry for this inconvenience you can
Hmm.
uh, now browse other categories or
Correct.
browse other things, am I right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Let's
Hmm.
say one category is failing,
Hmm.
let's
Hmm.
say
Hmm.
your uh, South Indian department is failing, but
Ah.
you can
Yes.
enjoy North Indian.
Correct. Correct.
You can redirect or you can propose that, am I right? In a
Hmm.
graceful manner.
Yeah. Right.
You understand my point?
Yes. Yes, Deepak. Yes.
So system survives. Failure expected, system survives. It's
Correct.
about survival.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
As we discussed, redundancy and graceful degradation.
Degradation. Hmm.
So, as you told, we have a backup.
Yeah.
If means redundancy means same kind of data is available on a one or two instances or two
Hmm.
places.
Hmm.
If primary is down, then secondary become primary.
Yeah. Right. Right.
Am I right?
Right.
So we have this option, so we
Yes.
can do that.
Correct.
If there is no we are not storing or we are
Hmm.
not managing this kind of state means this redundancy, what
Ah.
happens if we have only
One.
one?
Hmm.
Yes, then it's fail if it's
All
not
return.
correct.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
But here, if we have that, then load balancer will check the health of first primary.
Yes.
If it fails, then it should move to traffic to a
Yes.
secondary.
Yes. Yes.
Gracefully degradation
Mm.
example.
Mm.
If means fails, recommendation fail, show
Mm.
basic restaurant listing, order still works, as
Mm.
I told you.
Right.
South Indian in order, you can go with a North Indian.
Mm.
You can communicate to the client, hey, today, sorry, we
Mm.
don't have, we are not able to serve. South Indian, we have a North Indian, you can go with that.
Yes.
Means here you are not saying, hey, we are closed.
Yeah, we're not saying that. Yes.
So here, we are recommending. Am I
Mm.
right?
Yes.
Recommendation failure, basic catalog, user order.
Yeah.
So timeout, retry, fallback. So what do you understand from this? Timeout.
See, for example, the payment has to happen, say, in around 25 seconds. For some reason, there's a small delay. Then we just come out of it. So that's timeout. Our network is trying to contact one more server, but for some reason, it's not able to get a reply from that server. So instead of just uh, trying endlessly, we just say after some 20-25 seconds, if you're not getting any feedback from the other server, you just come out of that loop. That is, don't keep on trying, just come out, at least indicate with a message stating that some issue is there, you can retry again. So the user is aware that something has happened.
Yes. So mean just trying for attempt one time and say, hey, we are done and we are not able to proceed. You need to give a retry mechanism should be there, and it
Yes,
should be in a timely manner.
correct.
After this, let's say there is some SSL is there. Means based on that, you can say, hey, means after this much of time, this
Mm.
service is available, we can try. Am I
Correct.
right?
Right.
As it's a common rule,
Mm.
retry only for transition failure. What to
Huh.
understand from transition failure?
Mm.
I'm asking.
1 minute. Uh, Failure isolation. One failure. Okay. Order, payment, notification, delivery, notification fails. No. Here, uh, notification, example, what you given, notification failure. Now, food is delivered, payment is made, then I need to get a notification. For some reason, the notification service does not come out successfully. Maybe some issue is there, but payment is made, I know. So notification I don't get, but that doesn't mean that I have to stop the delivery services, because customer, according to customer, he has paid, and he's right to demand that his order should be served. So even though there may be a delay in getting a notification, the other areas of work has to continue as usual. So that is how it is.
Yes, means this should be isolation.
Okay, that's isolation. Okay, fine. Okay, just keep it aside, like separated.
Yes,
Hmm.
so that it will not impact.
Impact the other rest of the works. Okay.
Yes, if it's a, you can say in a sequence manner, and you are means going ahead after one step, then it's a problem. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
If you are saying these are the different entities, you can use that, hey, if payment is done, then we are able to deliver.
Hmm.
If this is a notification means we are communicating to the client, hey, your means delivery on the way, stuff like that. Am I
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And it's complete or stuff like that. But it's fair that, but client is feeling hungry and he ordered something from
Yeah.
our restaurant, and we
Yes.
are saying, hey, until unless my manager will not confirm, or
Mm.
bell will not ring. I
Mm.
will not able to deliver the food to you.
Yeah.
You understand my
Yes, yes, yes.
point? This is not a case, am I right?
Yeah.
So this is a failure isolation and event isolation. So what you understand from event, which we discussed so many times?
Uh, the event can be, I mean, any example, even a delivery is an event, payment made is an event, ordering food is an event. So one of the event fails, for example, okay, in this event, we have just discussed now, the notification in this example, earlier example, notification is uh, failed. Okay, so this is the example of classic example of a loosely coupled case where this all these are independent services. Yes, somewhere it is linked. I understand this order is against this payment is against one's order. That link is there, but otherwise, as if one goes down, the other services are up and running. So the event is in this example, the event is a notification is an event, delivery is an event, payment is an event, ordering is an event. Everything is an event-based system here. So one event fails, the whole system doesn't come down. The rest of the things keeps working.
Okay. Now we are moving to a circuit breaker.
Ah,
So a circuit breaker, you can think of
ah,
your electricity circuit.
okay,
Okay, if there is a, you can say, fault, electricity fault,
okay,
rather than you can say disturbing or your whole electricity or come up a situation of burnout,
okay,
then trip will, you can say, fuse will, you can say, gone. Am I right?
correct, correct.
To manage this thing so that you know means something gonna happen,
Ah,
but it means happened only with the fuse. Am I
fuse,
right? So you just need to fix a fuse only.
yes,
Same thing with our systems.
right.
You understand my point?
Okay, okay, okay.
So in this we have three states are there:
Ah,
open, half open, and closed.
okay,
Okay, now open means we are means trying to resolve.
okay,
Fuse is gone. Now we need to fix that. Am I
okay.
right? So for that means we not means means let's say right now this problem occur. We not try immediately.
Okay.
We will take some time, cool
Right.
down.
Right.
We need to take some time to think. Am I
Hmm.
right? And then we need to try.
Right.
Cool down means after some time we will need to think and we need to try.
Okay. Okay.
Am I right?
Hmm.
If there is a success, then we are good.
Yes.
We are
Correct.
done. Am I
Correct.
right?
Right.
If it is, you can say, there is a problem with a
Hmm.
close and thing, then this circle means repeat again.
Hmm.
You
Hmm.
understand?
Okay.
Okay, so this is a circuit breaker
Okay.
state. You can think of a simple manner, yeah, whatever example I told you. Okay.
Okay.
So, are you good with the circuit breaker states?
Ah. Yes. 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 Yes.
Meaning stop hitting broken service
Repeatedly. Ah.
repeatedly. Okay. So now we understand this redundancy, we understand this circuit breaker, degradation, am I right?
Correct.
Load balancer. But how means how we can do that?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So to implement each and everything, we have some tools,
Okay.
okay, which we call the reliability tool,
Ah. Ah. Ah.
okay,
Ah. Ah.
which will take care of these things, okay.
Hmm.
So here Kubernetes health probes, sorry, and load balancer we already discussed, am I right?
Correct.
and multi A to Z deployments.
Mm-hmm.
You can think of if we have some problem, then we can think we need to come up with the A to Z plan. Am I right?
Okay.
If this is failed, then what we will do?
Ah,
If this
yes,
is
yes,
failed,
yes.
then how we'll proceed
Mm.
forward?
Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is a liability tool, and apart from that, for messaging, we have you can say uh, Apache Kafka, RabbitMQ. Okay.
So here, Deepak, what is the exact meaning of messaging?
Messaging, as we discussed earlier, publisher and subscriber model.
Oh, okay.
Let's say you subscribe for a magazine, weekly magazine or monthly or 6 yearly,
Okay.
and whatever your interest, you
Ah,
subscribe. Am I right?
ah, right.
And for that, based on a subscription, they will, when new edition is launched,
Okay.
it should be delivered to your home.
Okay.
You understand my point?
Right.
So means how that thing will work,
Aha.
because you showed your interest
Okay.
and you are registered for
Okay.
that and you pay something for that. Am I right?
Right. Right.
So when publisher will publish,
Ah.
then you already registered there, then they will deliver to you.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
They will notify you. Okay,
Okay.
now this magazine new edition is there and this is the edition.
Okay.
You can think of, let's say I am means a big fan of cricket, and
Right.
if new match is coming for that particular India team, okay,
Okay.
then I want it. I get information for that well in
Okay.
advance. Am I right?
Right. Right.
So for that means we will means when they update the data for a new match, there is a
Mm.
mechanism with the help of
Okay.
that
Okay.
I will be notified.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Register yourself. Okay, I'm interested to know. Okay.
Okay.
So when
Okay.
that thing is available, they will inform you. Simple messaging.
Ah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, that's messaging. Okay.
Yes. And for liability patterns, we have a circuit breaker, bulk heads, and dead letter queues.
Okay.
So in a queues, which you can say this queue system, we have a dead letter as well. Means if failure
Okay.
happened, then means it's not partially failed. Means it can be
Mm.
recovered, so it goes to a dead letter, which we
Okay.
can
Okay.
treat later. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And what do you think? Common mistake. What do you think? Which normally people do about this liability and tolerance. Could you think of any common mistake?
I'm thinking common mistakes in reliability. Reliability or event or fault tolerance. 1 minute. Common mistakes. This is the mid-context question is now. Reliability. What are the common mistakes we do in reliability? Uh, okay, I think probably we assume that always our application will be up and running. It's assumption. I don't know whether we can call it as a mistake. Uh, Common mistake. Okay. One is assumptions. Okay. Second is maybe mistake. Second mistake can be like in order to have a good reliability, we may overdo many things. For example, when it comes to database failures, uh, probably two backup copies are sufficient. If one fails, other will take over. But we keep some 5 to 6 copies. Maybe I don't know whether to term those as mistakes or what. I don't know, but this is what I could think of the effect. But you can just throw more light on that.
Yes, you can see means right now you need to set a limit and you are not setting a limit for retry.
Okay,
Makes sense.
okay.
That's a common mistake.
Uh-huh.
And apart from that, you are not taking care of isolation.
Okay.
Okay, you are going with a happy cases only.
Okay.
Means
Always assuming. Right. Okay.
means whatever we discussed earlier,
Ah, ah,
just you can say ignore those, and which
ah.
will become your common mistake.
Oh, okay.
You understand my point?
Okay.
If you miss that, means it's a come under this common mistake.
Okay.
Can think of. You understand my point?
Right. Okay. So infinite retries, no timeout, shared dependency blast radius.
Means everything is shared. Am I
Ah,
right?
ah,
So if shared dependencies are there, so there is a radius or there is a area. Am I right?
area, boundary.
Yes, everything is going to access that, but
Hmm.
you don't have that. So you will give a mess because you can that is if it's a shared one,
Hmm.
then if one is using another need to wait. Am I right?
Yeah, right.
So anytime when someone say, "Hey, you need to go with a common mistake,"
Hmm.
whatever means practice you need to follow, you need to reverse that only.
Hmm.
Am I right?
Okay.
Earlier you're going with the retries, number of retries, count should be there. Now we are saying there is an effect. Am I
Right.
right?
Correct.
So next time when I ask, you need to revert
Correct.
or change this with a no. Am I
Yeah.
right?
Right.
So how now is question how to evaluate?
Hmm. Hmm.
Am I right? How
Hmm.
you will evaluate?
Hmm.
So could you think of what how you will evaluate?
How to evaluate reliability? Okay, one example what we discussed was our application should be always up and running. That is the requirement. Now, how do I evaluate? Uh, okay, how do I evaluate what fails from now? What fails? But evaluate. How do I evaluate that? Okay. Mm,
So let's say let me give you an example. Let's say we have a team, am I right?
ah,
And in a team we have some means everyone have their own capability. Am I
correct.
right? And everyone have a own position. Means hey, this is a receptionist. It will means encounter means this service will it will a face. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm. Hmm.
This will encounter first or take a first place, second, third, so on. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So based on that, we can consider, hey, if this is a phase, then it will definitely user will interact.
Hmm. Hmm.
If it's you can say means not give provider actually not providing the right information,
Okay.
then our system is failing because
Ah,
it's not interpreting our input only.
hmm.
Then what happened there? We cannot
Hmm.
move forward. Am I right?
Okay. Okay.
And let's say that particular this whatever reception system is done,
Ah,
the dependency,
ah.
what we will do. Am I right?
Okay.
Means what is there. Am I
Ah,
right?
ah.
And as we told you, means if let's say you are running only North Indian restaurant,
Ah,
and due to any reason, North Indian food is not ready. Then
right.
you cannot serve or means you cannot offer other
Hmm.
cuisines or you can say this food. Am I
Right.
right?
Right.
So same thing we need to come up with a when evaluation comes, then we need to evaluate reliability is
Okay.
how. Am I
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So and if we talk about interview thinking, so what do you think? What is fault tolerance? Fault tolerance.
For example, I can afford 1 minute fault tolerance. Uh, 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Customer pays the order. Payment is made, but for some reason, the notification has failed. So yes, I can wait for some time till the notification comes, but at the same time, uh, I can inform a delivery team to go ahead with the delivery. As from other channel, I came to the payment has come, but only the notification part has failed. So uh, that fault has happened, but that doesn't mean that the delivery has to be stopped. So uh, even though I know it has failed, but I'm still continuing with my delivery services. So there is the fault tolerance or
Yes.
payment retry. I can try for say 3 times. I can give a retry option, and then I can finally, if it succeeds, well and good. If it doesn't succeed, I can give a message and then gracefully come out. So the fault tolerance of 3 times retry is where we can tolerate the retries for 3 times.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
So now how to retry become dangerous
Hmm.
because you are not taking a pause or you are just retrying,
Hmm. Hmm.
and it will increase the load. Am I
Ah,
right?
yes. Yes.
So you need to take a breath and you need to think before a
Right.
retry. Am I
Right.
right?
Right.
So it will not put a extra burden on our system.
Correct.
And final mental model, we need to assume
Ah.
failure. Am I
Ah.
right?
Ah.
And if failure add a redundancy,
Hmm.
isolated failure, we
Hmm.
not means we not to think means if failure happen, we cannot move it. We need to think in a isolation manner as
Isolation.
how
Ah.
we can isolate this.
Yes.
And what else we can do? Am I right?
Hmm.
Our
Hmm.
system can survive.
Hmm.
So this is a reliable system assume failure
Hmm.
contains them and continue serving users.
Yes.
This is the thing which you need to consider.
Correct.
Uh, this for reliability and tolerance.
Hmm. Hmm.
Right.
Hmm. Yes.
Any question or concern?
Oh, no, we will explain. Understood the few concepts very nicely.
Okay. Uh, so now we need to discuss what you shared with me.
Yes,
Have you shared?
I already mailed it. Yes.
So
This may make it little bigger.
no worries.
No, the screen size.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Fine.
yes. Anyway, this part almost remains the same. Just come down. Okay, you can read. Fine.
Design to person primary material.
Here, this is the things I added now. Multi-currency, country support, multi-currency. There the concept of API came into picture. When I wanted to know the stock exchange rates, I was wondering how they are doing. Then I learned that, okay, there are some APIs which will give me all those rules. Then tax data, multi-vendor. Then the vendor can place their products, and then his inventory. We just discussed payment failure, success, payment failures. So here, some in the little complex system, there was partial refunds that I thought we can do in the second phase. Now, basic things has to be met with. So these are all separate services. Now, one example, one thing I just want to discuss, Deepak, for example, when it says search, no, search, for example, somewhere I give search, the user wants to search. Now, earlier I was thinking, say search, for example, I want a blue t-shirt with flowers. I just give a string like that, text like that, okay. My search should understand the context, and then it should bring the right products in my product list, okay. So actually, this was not in my mind. I was thinking I have to give one word or to go and search and bring. But the user now is used to entering the context like blue shirt with white flowers or a pant with light checks, something like that. So I learned that something called vector DB is there, which will put all those things in place and then give you the product with particular search what you are looking for. But yeah, what I found is there are so many things to be added. But I didn't want to bring all those into picture. So in phase one, limited things I have put. In phase two, we can add, for example, full search capabilities, and then even while shipping, linking with other delivery agents, their tax structure, their policies. So with a lot of things had come into picture. So I thought, let's not get into all that. At least in the initial phase, the basic things has to be in place. So that's how I changed. Then now I came across the API. I did a lot of things about API. So yes, those areas became very interesting part of this whole flow, which I had totally ignored in the beginning. I didn't know that these things are there earlier. I was going in a very traditional manner. Now I got that.
Okay, no worries. Let me do one thing. Let me just go through this. Okay.
Okay.
And just check this. Just what we need to check. Let's say if we're going in a flow, am I right? That flow should be maintained. Am I right? Yes. There is no hip hops are there. Am I right? Or zigzags are there. Am I right? And you just check in that manner. Check your document and let me know either hip hops are there or it's going in a smooth manner. You just need to tell me.
Okay.
Because this matters. Am I right?
Right. Okay. Got it.
So whatever we studied in a sequence manner.
Sequence. Correct.
Am I right? You
Yes.
need to tell me in your document, are
Ah,
you maintaining that sequence or there is a hip hop? Am I right?
oh, oh, okay.
You just check and let me know.
Oh, okay, Deepak. Okay, fine. Right.
There you just this you are telling, hey, this is the application over. Okay,
Ah, ah,
good.
ah.
Then we are saying goal and scope.
Yes,
Business goal, high level constraint, am I
yes,
right?
yes,
And this global sport,
yes,
multi vendor,
yes.
and these
So,
are the, you can say, e-commerce flow,
no,
am I right?
payment.
And okay, global sport.
Mm.
So this hold on. So here overview. Then we are talking about global and scope. Okay,
Yes.
high level constraint, and then global sport. It's come under which part? Global sport.
Orders.
Global,
Respect to
global
orders.
and scope. Hold
Ah,
on. Global scope, business goals. Under global scope, you are mentioning business goals,
yes.
and there in under that you have a high level constraint as well. And this global sport
Ah,
comes under.
I'll tell you. The point, the third point, any user from anywhere can place the order. Any user from anywhere can place the order.
No,
Okay,
I'm trying to
misplaced.
linkage the
No, no,
things.
no. I think slightly misplaced. I agree with you, but slightly misplaced things. I will set this right. Okay, I got it now. Got it. We're checking the flow. Somewhere you found this one in there, flaw in that.
Yes, means I need to check this means how I can link that. Is
Got it. I got it.
if you are going to represent this to your you can say stakeholders or
Yes, yes,
customer,
correct.
if there is a no linking, how you can narrate the story? Am I
Got
right?
it. Got it.
There should be some linking
Right, right,
with the previous context.
right.
And now, if you check this, like basic order management, okay. So you are maintaining this order, but what is the main topic or what is the main context? It's missing there. You understand my
Oh,
point?
oh,
And earlier we are talking about the scope only. I
ah,
mean this global scope and this
okay,
global goals and scope.
okay.
Now after doing that, we are saying, hey, we done. Now we are talking about a phase one. What about failure? What about other things which you need to
Oh,
take care?
okay.
We directly jump into a planning phase, means implementation phase, and we are
Ah,
talking about a services.
oh.
You understand my point?
See,
We're talking
Deepak,
about MBB directly.
uh, no, Deepak, no, see, Deepak, I spent so much time on this, but within minutes, you just pointed out a mistake, which I couldn't find out. Okay.
No worries, no worries.
No, no, no. I'm telling you are adding so much of value to the course. In minutes, you're able to point out, okay, no, Sridhar, the flow is not correct. You're slightly jumping to see. Because when I was doing document, I didn't think of all this, but you enlightened me with this beautiful point. Now I got the what you're trying to convey. Okay, it's not done fully. That means yes, got it.
That's why I am requesting you, Sridhar, you need to come up with a homework.
Ah,
Makes sense. You
right.
cannot skip.
Now, okay, Deepak, got it. Yes, okay. I won't skip now.
Okay, because if you done this practice on a daily basis, then
Ah,
I can point out.
ah. Okay,
Makes sense.
okay.
If something is not in front of me, how can I point out?
Yeah, you can correct. Okay, Deepak, I'll do that.
You understand my point?
Yes.
That's good. You are attempting, but there should be a proper thinking should be reflected, whatever you learn. Am I right?
Okay.
It should be in that manner, so that means whomever will check that, they will reflect, hey, this is a done by Sridhar, and he
Ah,
is a, you can say, data or this system design.
right. Okay, Deepak.
He knows system design very well.
Right.
Makes sense?
Right, Deepak, yes.
Okay. So hope you are agree with my
100%
point.
I agree. Because within minutes you pointed out, I mean, that shows your caliber. Simple as that.
Yes, it should be communicated to
Fine,
a
fine.
reader, and it
Yeah,
should be
right,
in a, you
right,
can say, proper manner. It should be not in a
right.
technical stuff. It should be a layman language so that
Okay,
anyone can
okay.
understand. Am I right?
Okay, okay, Deepak. Right, right, right.
Okay, let me stop the recording.